Mount Everest, known as Sagarmatha in Nepal and Chomolungma in Tibet, is the world's highest mountain, standing as a symbol of human endurance and exploration. Its rich history spans centuries and involves multiple cultures, adventurers, and expeditions. Let's explore the full history of Mount Everest, including its geographical significance, cultural importance, and the key events that have shaped its legacy. Mount Everest is part of the Himalayan mountain range, which stretches across the border region of Nepal and Tibet, China. It lies within the Himalayas, a range formed by the collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates. This colossal peak reaches an astonishing height of 8,848.86 meters, 29,031.7 feet, above sea level, making it the Earth's highest point. Due to its extraordinary elevation, climbing Everest is a daunting challenge, both physically and mentally. Cultural significance. Mount Everest holds immense cultural importance for the people of Nepal and Tibet. In Nepal, it is considered the goddess of the sky, and is revered by the Sherpa and other indigenous communities. In Tibet, it is seen as a sacred site, with pilgrims often making treks to its base. Early exploration. The first recorded sighting of Mount Everest by a European was in 1847 when British surveyor Sir George Everest, for whom the mountain was later named, spotted it from a distance. However, the mountain remained largely unexplored until the early 20th century. 1920s–1930s, early expeditions. The British made the first serious attempts to reach the summit in the 1920s. The 1921 and 1922 British expeditions, led by George Mallory and Edward Norton, reached impressive altitudes but fell short of the summit. Tragically, Mallory and his climbing partner, Andrew Irvine, disappeared during a 1924 expedition, leaving their fate a mystery for many years. 1950s–1960s, historic ascents. In 1953, Sir Edmund Hillary from New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay, a Sherpa from Nepal, successfully reached the summit, marking the first confirmed ascent. Their achievement marked a significant milestone in the history of mountaineering and made Everest a symbol of human triumph. 1970s present, popularization and challenges. In the decades that followed, Everest's popularity as a climbing destination grew, attracting adventurers from around the world. However, it also brought challenges related to overcrowding, environmental impact, and safety concerns. Modern expeditions. Today, numerous expeditions are organized annually to attempt the summit. Climbers face extreme cold, altitude sickness, avalanches, and crevasses on their way up. The ascent remains perilous, with fatalities occurring each year, despite advancements in technology and mountaineering techniques. Environmental concerns. The region surrounding Everest faces environmental challenges due to the increasing number of climbers and trekkers. Efforts are being made to address issues such as waste management and conservation. Conclusion. Mount Everest stands as a testament to human determination and the spirit of exploration. Its history is a story of triumph, tragedy, and ongoing challenges. As climbers continue to seek its summit and researchers study its geological and environmental aspects, Mount Everest remains an iconic symbol of the world's natural wonders and human resilience.